What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share with anybody who might be looking for this information. So what I'll be doing in this tutorial is showing you guys how to insert and eject the SIM card on the iPhone 11, the 11 Pro. So first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and locate your SIM eject tool. You should have something that represents something similar to this inside your box. Chances are yours will have that long pin with just a oval looking circle on it. So go ahead, locate that. That should be in your packaging. Go ahead, pull it out. Once you have it located, let's say if you don't have your original packaging, anything, a pin, a needle, unfolded staple, anything like that will do the trick. We'll get it done. What we're going to want to do is take the SIM eject tool and locate the hole right down here on the lower right side, lower portion of the device. We will see a cutout for the SIM tray, just a faint line with a hole in it. We're going to go ahead and insert the SIM eject tool into the hole. We're going to go ahead and apply some pressure. Just make sure you're going straight in, apply some pressure, and the SIM tray will pop right out. Once you have the SIM tray popped out, you'll notice that on the card, on the SIM tray, you will see that there is a slight beveled area right there, and that is to line it up with your SIM card. This SIM card has been modified just so it would fit, but it'll fit just like that. The writing there's on the back. And then once you have your SIM card on the SIM tray, go ahead and slide it in. Make sure nothing is tight. If something's tight, something's not sitting properly, make sure to double check that. And just like that, the SIM card is now installed, and there you have it. If you want to take it out, same way, take the SIM eject tool, place it in the hole, apply some pressure, slide the tray out, remove the card, and then the tray can be replaced back. So that is how to insert and eject a SIM card on the iPhone 11, on the 11 Pro. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, be sure to drop them in the comment section below. And that's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.